Tonight, Homeland Security Secretary Kristi Noem visiting Guantanamo Bay as the Trump administration searches for ways to hold the undocumented immigrants it's arresting. This week, ICE detention facilities at 109% capacity.
We're looking for as many beds as we can get.
Still, NBC News has learned President Trump has expressed anger that the number of arrests is not higher, according to 3 people familiar with the discussions at ICE and the White House. One source adding it's driving him nuts they're not deporting more people. It all comes as the new Attorney General ramps up pressure on sanctuary cities, suing Democrat-led Chicago and the state of Illinois, arguing they interfere with arresting and deporting undocumented immigrants.
They are choosing illegal aliens over the safety and security of their own citizens.
The lawsuits are against laws on the books in Illinois. I mean, unlike Donald Trump, we follow the law in Illinois.
Meanwhile, in South Texas early this morning, we get another first-hand look at the front lines.
I've noticed most recently not as much activity.
What was once a record influx of migrants, now a trickle. We didn't spot one in 5 hours with Border Patrol.
It used to be that the vast majority of migrants here would turn themselves in. Now, most of them are single adults trying to escape.
In 2021, this area saw more than 1,500 illegal border crossings a day. Now, less than 100.
Have you ever seen it this quiet?
Not that I can remember.
Nearby, the state of Texas is offering the federal government 1,400 acres of land for a massive detention facility. David Porras is a first-time Trump voter here in Starr County, which voted Republican in the presidential election for the first time since 1892.
You're here illegal, you break the law, you should be deported.
And we're just learning that the Trump administration is now using federal prisons to house undocumented immigrants.